This is my second to the last vlog on our Boracay trip last November 2022, and my goodness, it has taken me 2 months to semi-complete all this. I still have one last to go. Anyway, hello guys and welcome once again to my channel. We are featuring this helmet diving in Boracay and we're taking you under the sea. I truly hope that you'll enjoy watching this as much as we did in doing this activity, and of course, we hope that you will learn something from this trip, especially for those of you planning to go to Bora and looking for water activities.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
We're doing the helmet diving with Ava and Evita.
Hi.
We're the famous Ava Dazzle. Here's the famous Ava Dazzle. Apparently for this helmet diving, it's done out there in the sea, and as usual, you see us taking this route for our boat ride going to the floating raft where the helmet diving is done. I've explained this in my earlier vlogs. Anyway, here we are on the boat with other guests as well. Grabe, I'm so in love with the waters of Bora. The color is just amazing, especially when you are physically there. Sa boat ride pa lang ang saya-saya na guys. The boat ride in itself brings much enjoyment already, especially if there are kids with you of course. By the way, usually, they will allow you to bring along with you another 1 or 2 persons who are not really directly participating in the activity. In our case, my wife was with us and just waited for us on the floating raft. What the heck? Ano ba yan? Ang kukulit din ng mga tao doon.
Yung helmet na gamitin ninyo, mabigat po yan dito sa taas, kasi 30 to 35 kilos. Pero pagdating sa baba, 2 o 3 kilo na lang kasi yung helmet po natin pressurized, meron siyang pangit sa loob. Una po ninyong gawin, baba po muna kayo dito sa hagdan. Pagkababa sa hagdan, i-level niyo muna yung dibdib niyo sa tubig bago kayo lagyan ng helmet. Pagkalagay ng helmet sa inyo, bumitaw na lang kayo sa hagdan. Hawakan kayo ng inyong guide at siya na yung magdala sa inyo pababa hanggang makakapakay sa buhangin.
Wow, nice. The fish in the water is so clear. Anyway, obviously I was the first to go down, followed by my eldest son. So prior to going down, as you have watched a while ago, we were given a short orientation first. For our non-Filipino viewers, the guy explained that the helmet is about 30 to 35 kilograms when out of the water, but it drops to 2 to 3 kilos only when underwater. There was a professional diver underwater who guided us all throughout the activity. So we were given instructions on the simple hand signals that would be used by the diver to communicate with us. So basically the steps are, you take a few steps down the ladder, and when you are submerged up to your shoulders, the guy will put on your helmet. It's pressurized to keep the air trapped inside the helmet. Just maintain a forward head posture and avoid looking down in order to prevent the water from going inside. However, in case it does, you'll be taught how to clear your helmet anyway. I didn't realize until after watching this that my sister-in-law was actually talking to me and the camera picked up her voice. However, down there, I wasn't able to hear her obviously. So there, the last to go down was my niece. Going back to the steps to follow, so once your helmet is put on, you just let go of the ladder as a diver will assist you on your way down as you have just observed. The depth is approximately 7 meters. It's definitely not more than 10 or it would have been the end of my GoPro device. There was a diver and he was calling our attention. He was basically instructing us to go near the coral reef where most of the fishes were so he could take pictures and videos of us. Yes, that was part of the package. And when we were all back to the surface, all the pictures and videos were transferred to our mobile device. As for the quality of the pictures and videos, well, it was just okay. I mean, it's okay, it's good. I may not have been so impressed by it since I brought my own GoPro. It was cold down there, and if the diver weren't around, it would have been spooky. Nah, I mean, it's just me. I know how to swim, of course, but out in the sea, my imagination simply runs wild. I was imagining a shark or jaws coming from behind. This was such a fun experience. However, the helmet was quite heavy and painful on my shoulders. But I think it was just me, cause those with me didn't really complain much about it. I don't know why though. There's water in my helmet up to my chin. Fortunately, it didn't cover my mouth. Let's talk a bit about the corals. I don't know why there's just one small portion of it out here. As you can observe, surrounding it is just basically sand. It's as if it was simply moved here by humans to commercialize the place. The diver gave us fish food as well. I think that was something like hardened bread? I don't know. But the fishes liked them apparently. As you can see, they were not afraid of us. They're so beautiful. Grabe, ang takaw ng mga isda, oh. Talagang spoiled na spoiled. I wonder how many times a day these fishes are being fed. Dapat lang naman because they're being exploited by humans. So before moving further, let's talk about the cost, which I basically posted a while ago in the beginning of this vlog. We were charged 1,000 pesos each and we were underwater for 15 minutes. But actually, it felt longer than that. Probably we stayed a bit longer than 15 minutes. So just a reminder guys, I have other vlogs prior to this underwater helmet diving. So please help by watching them, my other 7 vlogs. I featured other water activities such as island hopping, jet ski, crystal kayak, stand-up paddle boarding, and also where to exercise or work out in Boracay. Plus, I made some reviews of Taj Guest House and Bamboo Bungalows where we had stayed. And of course, a review of Zyday Travel and Tours for those of you who want to have a more relaxed way of traveling to Boracay. I held my helmet frequently, lifting it slightly because as I said, it was painful on my shoulders. So that was it. I was sure glad to come up and the helmet removed from me. Parang pasan kong daigdig ang datingan. I was the last to go up. First to go down, last to go up. O diba? Gentleman na gentleman lang ang dating.
Tayo, bigat lang.
On our way back, we rode this huge watercraft that's obviously too big for the 6 of us. So guys, again, don't forget to bring with you some cash to give the boatmen some tip. Okay, that's the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching and listening, guys. I truly hope that you enjoyed. And please don't forget to like this vlog and subscribe. Bye!